The diamonds, they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace of flame. Her. Whoa.
What's up? What's good? How y'all doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Amyre. This is my YouTube channel where I talk about everything, where I do whatever I want, and we just join along. You know what I'm saying? Today, I'm showing y'all my everyday makeup look. I didn't feel like putting lashes on today, so I just gave you a cute mascara vibe with the face. Yeah, so I ain't gonna sit here and talk your head off. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, let me know. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so boom, here we are, starting off with the fresh face. You know what it is. I'm going to go ahead and just list all of the products because I was moving a little fast, or yeah, I sped it up, let's say that. I like to use edge control to slick my eyebrows. One, because it makes them look a little darker. Two, because that's the best thing that I found for my little soft brows. And then I go in with like the end of an eyebrow razor and kind of just flatten them out. I use the Il Makiage or whatever foundation, and it works really, really well to me. So yeah, this is just a light beat, so I didn't care to cover all of my blemishes. I'm probably going to just do a different video for like the beat, you know what I mean? But yeah, here we are just color correcting, you know the vibes. Boom, bow, boom, y'all know what it is. And then we're finally going to go in with concealer. I like to conceal from my nose to my outer eye. I usually go further down than that, under my eye, but I didn't feel like doing that this time because it just wasn't like a beat to the gauze. It was just like a cool little light beat, you know what I'm saying? A little everyday look, a little vibe. So I take my beauty blender and I just kind of blend it out. I like to go up just so I don't go down, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then okay, here's when I go lighter under my eyes. When I do like a beat for real, I go one shade lighter than that under my eyes because I love that bright under eye look. Here I am just filling in my eyebrows. I've been liking this look a little more than full on drawing them, and then that's when the pencil broke off on my eyebrow. Real cute, love that for me. But yeah, I've been liking to just kind of do like brush strokes almost, as opposed to completely drawing my eyebrow on lately. Love that. It really gives. I don't know. It just does it for me. Okay, so here we're going to conceal under our eyebrows with the Tarte Shape Tape. I love this concealer. There's probably nothing better than it for me. I like the Juvia's Place concealer as well, but I just haven't been able to find my color. I use Deep Honey in the I use Deep Honey in the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and that's like the perfect color for me. Here I am using my beauty blender to blend out all of my concealer. Once again, like when I do my beat face, I don't use my beauty blender for every single thing like I'm doing here. But like I said, this is just like a cute everyday rushing, going to a quick dinner, you know, that vibe. And then we're going to do the nose. I've been really into contouring my nose lately. I don't know if I'll grow out of it because I'm actually loving it. So yeah. And I use this Juvia's Place contour palette. I think it's the medium one. I'm not sure. But I've been contouring very high up lately. And I don't know. That just really does something for me when I contour high up. But I'm using this as a contour and a bronzer in this situation. I usually use the ColourPop bronzer though. I might go back to that. Of course, I do everything from the forehead to the jawline. Here I am setting my under eye. I use the Airspun translucent powder still. You know, she has yet to fail me, baby. I was using the Juvia's Place setting powder, but it just was giving too yellow. And yeah, we're not that yellow. And here I am contouring my nose. We're going to buff that out a little bit because it was a little harsh. So I just went back in with my foundation brush that I was using and just kind of softened everything up there. And it really gave the girls what it needed to give. Yeah. In a normal beat, I would do blush, I would do highlight, I would do all of that. I would do eyeshadow and everything, but there's no reason to be doing that, which is also why I didn't do any lashes, because this is just a light beat. You know what I'm saying? Quick little everyday, beginner friendly, you know the vibes. Now, my favorite part of this is going to be the lip. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be the lip. I love this lip that I'm gonna do. So then I also take my my mascara, the end of my mascara, and I get a rat tail comb, and I take the end of the rat tail comb and I do my moles. I've always done this. Well, I've been doing this for a couple of years. Let me say that. Let me not say I've always done it. I'm just into the moles. And I take my nose ring retainers out because I have to wear retainers for work. And I put my nose rings in. I like to use a very light cream color to give me that snatch look under the brow, blend it out, you know the vibes. So here I'm using, I don't know what lip liner this is, but the color is perfect for me. So of course I overdraw. Who doesn't? I either use Fortune Cookie or I use Madeline still in this butter gloss, and then gloss on top. Boom. All right, so this is the finished look. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Let me know what it's giving. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Was good? Yeah. Anyway, thank y'all for sticking through this. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for coming back. Thank y'all for being loyal. Thank you for being a badass bitch. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Did something different with the hair. Let me know how you feeling about it. If y'all want a video on the hair, let me know. I didn't record when I dyed it this time around. I'll probably insert some clips. Probably won't. Who knows? But let me know what y'all feeling. Let me know how y'all feeling. I think I used magenta, burgundy bliss, and I used a little bit of black just because I didn't want it to be super bright. But yes, let me give you a little 360. Oh my lord. You see what it's giving? Y'all see I put the pink shirt on with it just so you get the vibes for real. Whew. Yeah. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all follow all of my social medias. My Twitter is what is my Twitter, honey? My Twitter will be here. My Instagram will be here. My TikTok will be here. Follow me on all of that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I lay you down. You know what's up. Bye.